the main reason for this program, we've got a number of local shops nearby. We've got distributors, we've got dealerships, we've got independent, we've got fleet. Caldwell County actually has a long history of trucking up in this area. One of the things that's not necessarily unique to Caldwell is that the industry as an overall is really, really short on technicians.
The shortage of technicians is enormous. Don't know exact numbers, but for every 2 or 3 technicians that are leaving, we probably have 1 technician that's coming back.
The way this program runs, we bring in technicians or aspiring technicians, and we teach them 1 class at a time. We meet from 8 a.m. to noon, Monday through Friday. It's a little different than the way colleges normally ran, but what that does is that allows the local dealerships to employ our students part-time, and then they get employment in the field while they're learning, so they get learning on both sides. So we have a partnership with Volvo, and we're working on partnerships with some of the other local dealerships. Vanguard is the local dealership, and they're looking at hiring our students part-time as they come through. So that allows the student not only to take the courses, but to gain employment at the same time.
Our engines class is next semester. It's in the spring semester. We done 2 safety courses. We just got done with those. Now we're doing electrical. Then we're going to start basic engine training after this course.
As things move forward, regardless of what is driving that vehicle, what's powering that vehicle, our techs will know how to do everything else. So all of this stuff that we're teaching is relevant no matter what is powering that vehicle.
I've got 10 years experience in small engine. I was looking for something that pays a little bit more, so that's why I'm taking this class, so I could build a career in it instead of having to work on small engines the rest of my life.
I want to make sure that the graduates understand technician is not the only direction that they can go. If they get in the middle of this and they say, oh, well, I don't know if technician is what I really want to do for the rest of my life. Well, that's not the only need we have. We need parts people. We need service advisors. And we need somebody to take up my mantle when I move on as a service manager. So there are many other jobs that you can do through this program that would lead you in a career that would be very beneficial.